trying 7 Brew drive-in coffee for the first time. I'm with Emily. Okay. We just got out of the hell line. We have, I think, been here for 40 minutes. I have never had 7 Brew before. Apparently, it's a Jersey thing. I'm from Jersey. If you go to Penn State, they just opened one on South Atherton. Free drinks, free coffee all weekend. And it's on any drink. I thought it was just like a specific drink that you would get for free, but it's every drink they have. My mouth is watering wanting to try this, so I'm not gonna wait much longer. I got a cinnamon roll with whipped cream. Oh my gosh. That's really good.
You should take a video of the whole line.
I took video. It's actually, it was horrible. It was very worth it. Check this place out. Oh my gosh.